Hi! In front of me is ZTE V40S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, open Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Password and Security. Then select Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Finally, read the instructions and disclaimers and then tap on Done. Now you need to click on this little icon to turn on or off Raise to Wake feature. And when you're ready, click on Create Now. Now keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions. Now you can click on the swatches next to all of those features to switch them on or off. Tap on Unlock Device and tap on the best option for you. I will go with Unlock directly when recognized. And then tap on Home button. Now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. In order to delete your face data, you need to access exactly the same settings. Tap on Face Recognition, enter your current screen lock and scroll all the way down. Then choose Delete Facial Data and tap on Delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!